Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Crypto Explorer. Sorry it's been a while since my last video, but I've been spending time with friends and family on a recent camping trip. When I got back from that trip, it was about time for me to prep for my local Maker Faire, which this video is primarily about. So last month I saw a Facebook ad from my local Maker Faire stating that they were still accepting applications for makers. At this time, I just finished my first mining rig, and I thought to myself, why not? And I applied for the table. Shortly after, I got a reply that my project was accepted and that I will have a table to exhibit my mining rig at the Maker Faire. I've never been to a Maker Faire, nor have I done any sort of exhibit like this, so I was not sure what to expect. I thought I'd just go with it and use the exhibit to spread awareness of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Leading up to the Maker Faire, I've been in contact with another local YouTuber named Dick Algier from the Crypto Viewing channel. He wanted to meet up with me and see my mining rig in person. So I thought, if anything, I won't be totally bored if there was no traffic there, as I had at least one person interested in my project. So the night before, I packed up my mining rig and brought an extra computer to loop a video I found on YouTube called "What is Bitcoin Mining?" Just wanted to get it played over and over again, so if there are people hanging around the table, they can watch it. I also packed my gaming laptop just in case after the meeting with Dick Algier things were slow and I had something to do. So the morning of the Maker Faire, I got my table set up, and here's a picture of it. I connected to power and the Wi-Fi and began mining Ethereum. Normally I don't mine Ethereum with my rig, but for this venue I thought it would be a good idea to mine a crypto that the mainstream has heard of. I'm pretty sure most have not heard of coins like Raven Coin, Loki, Triton, or Graft. So I believe most folks were familiar with either Bitcoin or Ethereum, so my mining rig is capable of mining Ethereum, so that's what I was mining at the Maker Faire. So to my surprise, a lot of the makers setting up came by before the crowds with a lot of interest and questions about my mining rig and crypto in general. One of the persons was glad he was able to check out my rig before the rush, and I thought to myself, rush? Of course, this was my first Maker Faire, so I wasn't sure what to expect again. At 12 noon, the doors opened to the general public, and then the crowds started flowing in. I was surprised to see how many folks of all ages, all walks of life, were interested in crypto and blockchain technology. I'd frequently had groups of 4 to 5 around my table asking questions and wanting to learn more. I also got to do an interview with Dick Algier of Crypto Viewing, and there's a link to his channel in the description below. It was a great experience, and I'm glad to have met him. Hopefully we can meet up again and talk crypto in the near future. Overall, this was a surprisingly great experience considering we are in a bear market right now. It showed me folks were still interested in learning about crypto and blockchain technology. So I hope all who visit my table, I was able to convey the following message. When it comes to crypto, learn about the technology and go beyond the hype of price. Understanding blockchain technology is kind of like a glimpse into the future on what industries will change or what will become obsolete. This in will turn help you make better long-term decisions. For example, if you're a student, you can see where jobs are heading in the future. If you're working in an industry of trust, like a bank or escrow, you can prepare yourself for the disruption of your industry and plan accordingly. But last but not least, crypto as an investment has a great amount of potential at this time, but with that potential comes extremely high risk. I believe we are still in a very speculative time of crypto, and because of that, crypto investing is really not for the faint of heart. I mean, Bitcoin right now is down a lot from where it was earlier this year, so it's really one of those things that you got to have a long-term interest, in my opinion. Of course, again, this is not financial advice, just for anyone who's watching. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.